Hello and welcome to lesson 20 for our reading group. Today we're working on the Level A book, Little Cub. And today we're going to be looking over some vowels, rhyming words, beginning sounds, and syllables. So our reading goals today are to read with accurate voice print match across one line of print. Actively search for and use information from the pictures, and use known words and first letters to self-monitor reading and self-correct. For phonics and word work, we're going to identify vowels and think about their sounds. We're going to hear words that rhyme. We're going to hear the number of syllables in a word, and we're going to hear words that have the same sound at the beginning. So today we're going to look at two high-frequency words that make a phrase in the story that we're going to read. And those two words make up the phrase, I am. So the story we're reading is called Little Cub. And a cub is a little tiger. This book is all about the things that Little Cub is doing. And she's talking right to us. So we're going to hear I am. And that means Little Cub is talking. So let's take a look at what Little Cub is doing. Use your picture clue to tell what she's doing here. Now let's look at the text to see what she says. I am eating. Oh, I am running. I am riding. What is she riding on? She's riding on a school bus. I am drawing. I am kicking. What is it that she's kicking? A soccer ball. Oh, what is she doing? I am playing. It looks like she's playing a game with maybe Big Brother. I am reading. And finally, oh, I see that she's sleeping, and there's something above her head here that's showing pictures. What happens when you sleep and you see pictures in your head? I am dreaming. Very good. So now it's your turn. I'm going to go back to the beginning of the story and point to the words while you read at home. The story is called Little Cub. Excellent job. Little Cub does a lot of things. What are some of the things that she does during the day? Kicking a ball, like we see on the front cover. She also runs. She plays games. What does she do at night? She dreams. Very good. Okay. So Little Cub likes kicking the soccer ball the best. We know that because it's on the cover. So how else might you know that it's her favorite thing? Let's take a look at her face. Look at the picture. What kind of face is she making? That's right, she's smiling, and it's not just a Little smile. She's got a big grin on her face, which means she really enjoys it. It's her favorite. All right, it looks like she's having fun in this picture, right? And then we also know that, take a look at her dream. What is she dreaming about? That's right, she's dreaming about playing soccer and kicking that ball. Excellent job. So she likes to play during the day, and she also dreams about it at night. All right, now we're going to take a look at some letters, and we're going to decide which ones are vowels. Take a look at these letters. I have all the letters of the alphabet, okay? Let's go through them one at a time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you notice that some of these letters I put in blue and the other ones in yellow. Today we're going to focus on these blue letters. These are called vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. Now vowels have lots of sounds, and we focus on two sounds that they make, long and short. Their long vowel sounds say their name. So for example, the long vowel sound for the letter A is A, like in cake. The long sound for E is E, like in eagle. The long sound for I is I, as in ice. The long sound for O is O, like oval. And the long sound for U is U, like unicorn. Now, vowels also make short sounds. The short sound for A is A, like apple. The short sound for E is E, like elephant. The short sound for I is I, like igloo. The short sound for O is ah, like octopus. And the short sound for U is like umbrella. Now, each time we hear the syllables of a word, which are parts of words, there has to be a vowel in there. And we're going to look at syllables pretty soon here, okay? First, we're going to take a look at some pictures, and we're going to start with words that rhyme. I'm going to hold up two pictures, and we're going to decide if those pictures rhyme or not. The first ones I'm going to hold up are bee and tree. Do bee and tree sound the same? Bee, tree. Yes, they do. That means they rhyme. How about hat and cat? Do hat and cat have the same ending sounds? They do. They both end in the at sound, so they rhyme. What about the words snake and star? Snake, star. They don't have the same ending sounds, so these words do not rhyme. How about car and star? Car, star. Both end with the R sound at the end, so these words do rhyme. Fish, dish. They rhyme. How about cat and car? No, they have the same beginning sound, but they don't rhyme. They don't sound the same. And finally, snake, rake. These words rhyme because they have the same ending sound, ache. Snake, rake. Excellent. Now let's go back to those syllables. Remember that syllables are parts of words, how many parts a word has, and each syllable has a vowel sound. So we're going to look at some pictures to decide how many syllables each picture has. So the first one I have is cat. We're going to clap out how many syllables the word cat has. Cat, one syllable. And now we're going to look at the word ball. Ball, one syllable. How about the word bus? Bus, one syllable. Balloon, balloon, two syllables. How about banana? Banana, three syllables. Turtle, turtle, two syllables. Monkey, monkey, two syllables. Elephant, elephant, three syllables. Toothbrush, toothbrush, two syllables. And carrot, carrot, two syllables. Now we're going to go back and look at two pictures and see if they have the same number of syllables or not. First, I'm going to show you a picture of a cat and a ball. Do these two pictures have the same number of syllables? Cat, ball. Yes, they both have one syllable. How about bus, balloon? Bus, balloon. No, bus has one syllable, balloon has two. How about balloon, banana? Balloon, banana. No, balloon has two syllables, banana has three. How about turtle, monkey? Yes, both of these words have two syllables. How about elephant, toothbrush? No, three syllables, two syllables. How about carrot, toothbrush? Both of these words have two syllables. Now finally, we're going to look at the beginning sounds of words, the first sounds you hear when you say words, to decide if they have the same sound when I show you two pictures. So let's look at dish and dog. Do they have the same beginning sound? Dish, dog. They do. They both sound with, or they start with the D sound. How about cat, car? Cat, car. Yes, they have the same K sound at the beginning. Next we have bus and ball. Bus, ball. They both begin with a B sound. Very good. How about dog, doll? Dog, doll. D sound at the beginning. Very good. And now we have duck and dish. Do they have the same beginning sound? Duck, dish. Yes, they do. One more. Ball, doll. Ooh, do they have the same beginning sound? Ball, doll. No, ball begins with a B sound. Doll begins with a D sound. Very good. Thank you so much for joining me today for lesson 20, and I will see you again in lesson 21.